To fully make use of urban areas and enrich people's life, some former factory sites in China have been transformed into new types of community centers. TFEP Cultural and Creative Park in northwest China's Xi'an is one such place. Once a towel manufacturing plant, the site is now turned into an area where people can find fresh food markets, groceries, restaurants, and other creative zones.
把这里呢进行了城市更新和改造，也是满足我们这个15分钟的这种便民的这种商业的这种需求。
The park has not only brought convenience to nearby residents, but also become a new tourist attraction.
我是在网上看到这个地方的一些笔记，因为之前听说它是一个工厂，然后现在感觉非常的小清新和文艺，觉得这个地方改造的很棒，我们同龄人都会非常喜欢来这里来打卡，来玩一下。